Hello friends. So today we are going to learn the new topic, that is a new time signature. Till now we have learned the compound and the simple time signature, but in grade 4 we have the new time signature, which is 5 by 8 or 5 by 4 or 7 by 8. Okay. So these are not your compound or simple time signature. This is a new time signature. Remember that. Okay. Now, generally, this is divided into two groups whenever we are doing that: 3 by 2 or 2 by 3, and 7 by 8. Either it's 4 by 3 or 3 by 4. You can do that. Okay. We will see that in the example, but in a simpler way, this is the new time signature where you will have 5 crochet beat in a bar, or 5 quiver beat in a bar, or 7 quiver beat in a bar. Okay, this has nothing to do with your some simple time signature or compound time signature. Okay, as simple as that. So you can see the example, and generally when you see this number on the top, this describes that the grouping of the nodes you will put. So you can say this is written 3 by 2 and it's 5 by 8 times. That means there's a 5 quiver beats in one bar. So you can see 3, we have 3 quiver beats, then 2 quiver beats, okay, in a bar. Here 7 quiver beats in one bar, so the grouping is by 4 quiver beat first and then the 3 quiver beats. Okay, same again here, 2 2 3. So these are the examples, the way you can mark these time signature, or you can get to know that this is a time signature. Okay, so let's straight away go to the exercises. We'll go to the next page. So in the next page we have the first exercise that says write the main beats in each of the following bar. So remember the main beats. Okay, so main beats is 5 by 8, and you can see they have given here the how to write the main beats. So what we have to do is we have to make a crochet beat here and then a dotted crochet beat here. Okay, just give me 1 second so you can see, because it means 2 quiver beats, and here if we put a dot, that means 3 quiver beats in it. Okay, now next one is 7 by 8 and the grouping should be 4 by 3. So that means we need to have 4 quiver beats first, and then we have to write main beats. Sorry, this is what we have to take care of, that we have to put main beats only. So that means for 4 quiver beats we have to put 1 minim here, right? So we'll put 1 minim here and then 1 crochet beat, dotted crochet beat. So we make a minim here and then we make a dotted crochet. That makes 7 quiver beats. Now 5 by 4, here we have to make 5 crochet beats we need. So we make 1 minim beat here. Okay, and then we make a dotted minim, that makes 3 crochet beat and 2 crochet beat, that makes 5. Okay, now next we have is 5 by 8, that means 5 quiver beats and grouping is 3 by 2. So now we have to do a dotted crochet here and then 1 crochet beat here. Okay, next we have 7 by 8 and 2 2 3, so we put 1 crochet beat. Okay, then 1 more crochet beat and then 1 dotted crochet here. Okay, so this is what we have over here. Now next one is write the correct time signature. Now we have to check the groupings and then we have to put the time signature. So you can see over here, see the example. Let's see here. You can see the main bit is 1 dotted crochet. So you know this cannot be a simple or compound time signature. This has to be 5 crochet 5 by 8. So because it has 3 quiver beats here and 2 quiver beats here, so this is a grouping of 5 8. Okay, because we're covering 3 here and 2 here. Now next you can see 3 quiver beats. So this is 3 by 8. Okay, next one is dotted crochet, then 2, then this is a grouping of 7 by 8 because we have 3 quivers here, then 2 and 2. Okay, remember that. Next one we have 3 dotted, this is 9 by 8 because this is our compound time signature. This was simple time signature. Then you can see this is given 2 by 3, so this is crochet they have given. So this is 5 by 4 because 2 crochet bead here and the 3 crochet bead cover in this one. Okay, next one is 2, so this is our 6 by 8 compound time signature. Remember, 2 crochet dotted crochet beads. Okay, now here is 4 by 3, so this is 7 8 because there are 4 quiver beads and 3 quiver beads here. Okay, let's move further. So next we have is add time signature to the music. So we have to add the time signature according to the music given here. So you can read this example, and next one we have, you can see this is minim. So this is 1 2, so you can see majorly the beads are in crochet beads. So if we count as a crochet bead is 1 2 crochet beads, 3 4 5, so this is 5 by 4 because we are covering 2 crochet beads here. This is 3 4 and 5, so this is 5 4 time signature. Okay, next one you can see the grouping of quivers. Very simple, you can see this 2 quivers here, 2 here, 3 here. That's a grouping of 7 by 8 time signature. Okay, next one is 2 3 and 2, so this is simple. This is a grouping of 5 by 8 time signature. So in this video I'm covering only this much. We will have the second part of this, the time signature, otherwise the video would have been very long. Okay, so now I will see you in the second part of this. Till then, take care. And guys, if you have any questions, please ask me in the comment section. And thank you for your response, and all of you are really helping and supporting me in these videos. So thank you so much for that, and please share and subscribe. I will see you in the next video. Till then, thank you.